Hey guys, I just wanted to show you all one of the tools that we use here at Property Revolution. This machine behind me is called a mini skid steer. It's become a big part of our team. We actually have a couple of these. So if you see our team working on a job site, you can often see us using one of these. We call them Dingoes because there's a brand of mini skid steer that's called Dingo, but this one's actually a Bobcat. These are a really great tool and they make our job a lot easier. It's easy to scoop up material. They're yard friendly and they're narrow enough to fit through a gate, like in a fenced in backyard. So oftentimes if we're working in the backyard, access is somewhat limited. So we can get in there with the mini skid steer, and we have a few attachments that work out really handy. We've got the bucket if we need to move some dirt around, pallet forks to carry heavy stuff, which saves our team from having to carry it in manually. And then we've got an auger, but just wanted to point out some of the features of the tools that we use and how we make our guys' jobs a little bit easier.